It's Trick Off Tuesday, Trick Off Tuesday, but from the car. Yes, from the car. Today's haul is all about where I couponing, and I went to the Dollar Tree. Y'all know I have my coupons. Yes, I had all my coupons, and I was ready to go. But first, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I show y'all how to save money, honey. Yes, like this video right now. I'll wait because y'all already know this video finna be great. This is going to be a great haul, so like it now. I need 500 likes for this video right here. 500 likes. I'm trying to get to 500 likes. I need 500 likes. Oh, I ain't showing y'all no more things I got from the Dollar Tree. No, I'm just playing, but I do need 500 likes. Y'all, I'm on my way to 10K. I'm at 7,800. Come on, y'all. Give me the 10,000. Give me the 10,000 subscribers. I really appreciate all the subscribers I got now. I really appreciate y'all. I see y'all. Hey, new subscribers, I see you. And I see all my day one subscribers too. Y'all been with me since the beginning. Yes. All right. So we're going into the Dollar Tree today. I'm going to show you me couponing in the Dollar Tree, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm out of the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna start with my first cart. I'm gonna go through this really quick. I got the Secret deodorant. I got this coupon for $2 off any Secret deodorant, Outlast deodorant. I got some more granola bars, and I got this coupon for 50 cents off 2 boxes. Juicy Juice, and I got this coupon for $1 off any one Juicy Juice. This cran grape is so delicious. And I got this coupon for $1 off 2. Some more fruit roll-ups over there in the corner. And I have this coupon for 50 cents off 2 fruit roll-ups. I got the Beauti over there in the corner. And I got this coupon for $1.50 off any Beauti. I grabbed some more pretzel chips, and I got this coupon here for $1 off any 2 pretzel chips off coupons.com. Skinny Pop, I got this coupon off coupons.com for $1 off any 1. I got some more cereal, and I got this coupon off coupons.com for $1 off 2. The Bugles, I got this coupon here for 50 cents on 2 Bugles. And this is how my cart looks. It's kind of messy, but that's how it looks. Over here I picked up the Oreos, and I have this coupon here for 75 off 2 packets of Oreos. I picked up these honey bunches of oats, and I got this 50-cent coupon off 1. I think I'm gonna have to cut another one because I only got 1 coupon. Let's go cut another one. I grabbed these pistachios, and I got this coupon here for $1 off any pistachios. I got 4 of them. And then I got this Frigo cheese string, and I got this coupon here for 55 cents off 1. And that's how this stuff looks. Alright, off to the register. Okay, I'm out of the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna have to do this haul from the car because I'm too busy to do it anywhere else but the car. All right, so the first item that I was excited about was this Beauti charcoal. I'm gonna need my camera to act right. Let me see here. This Beauti charcoal. It's a coupon that came in our last insert for $1.50 off. That coupon, yeah, that coupon beeps. So use that coupon at your own risk. Beauti charcoal. it makes it free with that coupon. This is a it's a cleansy micellar water, free with that coupon that was in our last insert. I got the Cascade. That coupon is in a PNG for 50 cents off. That coupon always beeps. It never works. That coupon always beeps. In our past insert, let me see. The PNG is a coupon in the PNG for $2 off $2 off 2. This coupon has to be adjusted to $1 because the manager was there that don't like putting $2 in for 2 items. He only wanted to adjust it down to $1, which is fine. So these were pretty much 50 cents. So that coupon adjusted down to $1, so 50 cents per secret deodorant. That coupon beeps. Okay, I picked up a box of these bunches of almond. I like these cereal. I printed a printable coupon off coupons.com for 50 cents off. That coupon beeps, so it had to be manually put in. So once it's manually put in, that made these 50 cents. The Juicy Juice coupon was for $1 off. It's a printable coupon, it's $1 off. That coupon beeps, so use that coupon at your own risk. It's for $1 off any Juicy Juice, making these free. I got some more fruit roll-ups. The fruit roll-up coupon is for 50 cents off 2, so making these 75 cents a piece for 2 of them. That coupon scans. I bought some cheese head. I had a 55 cent coupon off coupons.com. That coupon scans, so that makes this 45 cents for the Frigo cheese. Now, this is my first time picking up the pistachios. I had to dig this coupon out, y'all. I didn't know where this coupon was, but I had to dig it out and I found it. So I bought the pistachios. I had a $1 coupon and I had a 50 cent coupon. I did that so I could see which one works. The 50 cent coupon beat. So if you got that coupon, use it at your own risk. But the $1 coupon scan. So if you got that $1 pistachio coupon, it scans so it gives you free pistachios. This coupon had to be put in manually. This one was free. This one was 50 cents. I bought some more sunscreen. What is this? Banana boat. I had a coupon. I showed you the coupon from a couple of inserts back. That coupon scans, and that coupon is for $2. It adjusts down to $1. So with that coupon, you get free sunscreen with that coupon for $1. Nature Valley. I got some more Nature Valley granola bars. I still have a lot of these coupons, so I'm trying to use them all up. They're 50 cents off 2. So that make each box of Nature Valley 75 cents with that coupon. That coupon was in 2 inserts ago. Smart Source. Alright, I grabbed some more Bugles. I still had a lot of Bugles coupons too, so I'm trying to buy all the Bugles I can because I like Bugles. So the Bugles is for 50 cents off 2. So each bag of Bugles is 75 cents. So $1.50 for 2 bags of Bugles with that coupon. That coupon scans. Also, I use my last 75 cent Nabisco cookies or cracker coupon. I use my last one, y'all. Why? But anyway, 75 cents off 2. So it makes it $1.25 for 2 packages of Oreo cookies. That coupon also scans. I had a printable coupon off coupons.com for a Skinny Pop. That coupon beeps. It had to be manually put in. So the Skinny Pop is $1 with that coupon. The Skinny Pop is free with that coupon. Use that coupon at your own risk. That coupon does beep. I picked up some Honey Nut Cheerios. I usually get these away. I'm not really a fan of Honey Nut Cheerios, but I got a lot of Honey Nut Cheerios coupons. So with that coupon, it's for 50 cents off 2. So that makes each bag of Cheerios 50 cents, and that coupon does scan. So 50 cent Cheerios. I picked up some more Pretzel Crisp. Now, this Pretzel Crisp coupon, I got a lot of these too. A lot of coupons for Pretzel Crisp, so I'm trying to use them all. I picked up 4 bags. That coupon scans, so it makes it, it's $1 off 2. Yep, $1 off 2. So each bag of Pretzel Crisp is 50 cents with that coupon if you have that coupon. I picked up some more Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I had more Cinnamon Toast printable coupons. I had 50 cents off 2 off coupons.com. So that made these 50 cents a bag with that coupon. I picked up some more cran grape. Now I like this cran grape. This cran grape is delicious. I could not stop drinking this cran grape. So I picked up some more. I had a coupon for $1 off 2. That coupon beats. So use that coupon at your own risk. With that coupon, these are 50 cents a piece. Use that coupon at your own risk. It does beat. And cran grape is so good. All right, and for my last item, I think. Okay, now I got one more item that I picked up. But I picked up this item last week and I forgot to show y'all this item. So I'm going to show y'all this item. This picante. I'm missing a bag. Oh, yeah. So I picked up 2 more jars of paste picante sauce. I like salsa. I'm gonna have so much salsa when it's over with because I got a lot of these coupons too. So this coupon is for $1 off 1. I'm sorry, $1 off 2. So each container of picante sauce is 50 cents with that coupon. That coupon, that coupon beeps. So that coupon has to be put in manually. If you have that coupon beeps. All right, I got one more thing I gotta show y'all. All right, so I had the printable coupon for $2 off 2 big products. I only grabbed one because the other one is under seat somewhere. But listen, that coupon expired on the 4th of July. I forgot to show y'all this item. I purchased this item a while ago. I found it at the Dollar Tree because I was tired of picking up the big pens and the big whiteout. So I finally found something else that I can use that coupon on. That coupon scan, again, that coupon expired on July 4th. But if your Dollar Tree has these items, the next time that coupon comes out, make sure you pick them up. It give you free, what is these? Dry erase markers. So for the kids, I know sometimes you write on that they have dry erase boards at the Dollar Tree. So with this, it's in this low odor. So these were free with that coupon. Okay, y'all, let me tell y'all something. Today we had a little bit of a disgruntled customer that was standing behind me. Now, when I pulled up to the line, it was nobody behind me. Of course, it was nobody there. It was only one old man, and he went to the other line because they had a second cashier there. So, as I'm couponing, which she reads the coupon, which I don't care, you know, it ain't no big deal. She reads some of them she just scanned through or whatever. I already know how she acts. She reads out a coupon, which ain't, like I said, no big deal. But couponing at the Dollar Tree takes a little time, even at the register. So again, I never really had no disgruntled customer. So I thought I was gonna have to turn up on this lady, y'all. So she's standing behind me now. She done already scanned all my items. She's going through the coupons. She's reading them. She's moving efficiently. She's not moving slow at all. I already knew she moves fast. So I always do 2 transactions. I pick up some things that I found at the Dollar Tree. It's my second transaction. And my first transaction be my couponing transaction. So now that she's done with my couponing transaction and I'm done, now it's time for my second transaction. Now the lady that's standing behind me, she goes, I think the old man left. He, you know, all that stuff was his. So I said, no, those are my items. She said, oh, those are yours? I'm like, yeah. She's like, do you have any more coupons? Now listen, y'all, let me take a breath because, honey, why do it matter if I have any more coupons or not? What's the problem? So, but I'm not rude. I was not rude to her, which I pat myself on the back because usually, honey, I ain't for none. If you ain't got to, first of all, let's think about this. How many times have you really went into the Dollar Tree and ran out unless they were like, it's early in the morning? I've never just walked into the Dollar Tree and walked out, even when I wasn't couponing. The Dollar Tree is one of them places where you can walk in and not see nobody, and by the time you get in the line, it's a million people in there. So that's how the Dollar Tree always works. So honey, don't run into the Dollar Tree and think you're gonna run in and run out. Those are rare situations. Okay, so now that she said that, I said, no, I don't have any more coupons for that those items. So she's like, oh, okay. Then I hear somebody, now she didn't already started a riot. So then I hear somebody behind her say, oh my God, you can use coupons in the Dollar Tree. I didn't even respond to her, honey, because at this point, don't talk to me, nobody. Don't talk to me. I ain't bothering nobody. Don't bother me. That's how I always live my life. I don't bother nobody. Nobody. I get up, I work, I do what I'm supposed to do, and I just enjoy my life. I never bother anybody, ever. I never start anything. If people start with me, I'm gonna finish it. But I never start with anybody. Cause I'm unproblematic. I'm an unproblematic person. But that lady, when she started to ring on my second transaction, she was like, oh, I'm just done. I'm just done with this. And she left all her items on the belt. So the cashier was like, ma'am, you know, if you go, take your items with you. She left all her stuff on the belt, child. All her stuff on the belt. And it was like, no, I'm just gone. And walked out. So now the cashier is getting a little bit upset. She's like, oh, that is so rude and ignorant. So now she goes around and she picks up all the items off the belt. After that, she's still, after she picked up all the items or whatever, the next person came in with his items. Everybody was cool. It was just her. So then she walks out, and I was waiting for her to say something as she walked past me, y'all, because I was waiting. Because, honey, you ain't, what? Is there a problem? But anywho, so after that, she rang up my second transaction, which probably was about 70 things, you know, something like that. But I go into the Dollar Tree and I find good items. I just can't help it. All right, so after that, everything was fine. My transaction was smooth, and I had a great haul at the Dollar Tree. I picked up a lot of great items, as you can see, and this is how it all panned out. If I would have walked into the Dollar Tree with no coupons, I would have paid $41 out of pocket for all those items. My coupons took off $21.75. Fetch Rewards gave me back 15 cents. Fetch Rewards, what's up with that? Only 15 cents, what I'm gonna do with that? But I'll take it. Checkout 51 gave me back $1 for those Nabisco cookies that I showed. So, my final out of pocket is $18 for 41 items, or 23 items for free. Who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Paschen. 23 items for free from the Dollar Tree this week. Now this week I had a great haul. My Dollar Tree was stocked up. It was just not a bunch of different new items per se, but it was still a great haul. All right, that's the end of my haul. Thank you all for watching. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because why not? I don't get it. I show you how to save money, honey. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Paschen, and I'm out.